Hello and welcome back to my English classes. Now today we are going to see the explanation of class 10th first flight lesson 9 Madam rides the bus. Now first I will tell you the summary, then significant stages. And there are parts in it. There are 3 parts in Madam rides the bus. So first we will say the first part about Manai. There was a girl named Veliamai. She was called the Veli for short. Okay? She was 8 years old. She wanted to know many things. She would stand in front of the doorway of her house. She would see what was happening outside. She had no playmates. Now that means she was living alone. So she used to stand on the doors of her house and she used to watch the outside scene. Now as she was a small girl, she don't have any playmates, she don't have any friends, so she used to stay alone and watch outside the window. Next point, Veli's wish to ride the bus. Watching the things gave Veli many unusual experiences which were not expected. There ran a bus between her village and the nearest town. Veli got great joy in seeing new sets of passengers, so day after day she watched the bus. She soon developed a wish to ride on that bus. That means she wanted to go on the bus because every day from her door she used to see the bus going through that way. And every day there were new passengers, so this created an interest in her to go into the bus and have a ride. Next point, Veli's thought about rides. Veli's wish to ride the bus became stronger and stronger. She thought that if a friend described her riding in the bus, she would display her. She would speak English word proud, though she did not know the meaning. Now here she thoughts of. Why she thought so? Because sometimes what happens with us also, that we have some dreams or we have some wishes and we want to complete it, but we are not getting the opportunity to do it. But here the willing of her to ride a bus became stronger day by day as she was watching the bus daily. She thought that if a friend described her riding the bus, means if one of her friend can tell how to ride in the bus, she would go and ride on the bus and speak English proud. Why? Because she will be proud that she has ridden a bus. And though as she was a small girl, though she didn't knew the meaning of proud, even then she is so happy to say that proud. Next point, Veli's knowledge about the ride. Veli listened to talk to the persons who travelled in the bus. This way, she learnt about small details of the journey. She now knew that the town was 6 miles away. The fare was 30 paise on one way. The time of the ride was 45 minutes. She also knew how she would return. Thus she planned before starting the ride. Now, जैसे होता ना when we keep on listening about a particular thing, then that thing is there in our mind always, and we come to know, we get the knowledge of those things. In the same way, as the bus passes by, she knew the timing. Okay? Then she listened from the person जो वहाँ bus में travel करते तो they must be talking about every day. So she came to know about the way. She learned small details of journey. She knew that the town was 6 miles away from her place. Then the fare was 30 paisa one way. Matlab to go to the fair, the price of the bus was 30 paise. Then the time of ride was 45 minutes. In 45 minutes, the person can reach the town. Then she also knew how to return, because every day she used to see the buses going and returning. So she came to know through the help of passengers. They used to talk. So she came to know. Now we will see the second part. One finds Veli in the bus. One fine spring day, Willie rode in the bus in the afternoon. The conductor was jolly and fond of joking. She understood that Willie spoke with pride. He offered Willie a front seat, calling others to make way for Madam. There were only 6 or 7 passengers in the bus. They were looking at Willie. They were laughing with the conductor. Willie felt it insulting. Now here, when she rode in the bus for the first time during the spring day, the conductor was jolly. Means was a type of a man who used to be happy all the time and fond of joking. He used to joke with the people sitting in the bus. He understood that Willie spoke with pride. Okay. Then he offered Willie a front seat, calling others to make a way for her. Means to give a place for her to sit on the front seat. There were only 6 or 7 passengers in the bus. They were looking at Willie, and Willie was feeling insulted because she didn't knew about the routine that the conductor was a jolly type person. He used to crack jokes and people used to laugh on that jokes, but she thought that people are laughing on her. Next point, Willie studies everything inside and outside. Means Willie studied the surroundings. Willie studied everything in the bus. It had soft and comfortable seats. Okay, the seats were comfortable. It had a beautiful clock above the windscreen. Windscreen जो ऊपर की तरफ शीशा के ऊपर जो पार्ट होता है, वहाँ पे there was a clock. She looked outside, but she had to stand up on the seat because of the curtain. Because of the curtain, she has to stand from her seat to see outside. The bus was going along the bank of the canal. Through the way there was a canal, and the bus used to go from that. She saw palm trees, mountains, and the blue sky. On the other side, there were green fields. मतलब on the one side there were trees, palm trees, mountains, and blue sky. On the other side, there were green fields. Jैसे when you travel in the train or in the bus, you see the green fields on both the sides of the road. So she was also watching this thing. Next point, what happens inside the bus? That means something happened inside the bus. Suddenly an elderly person asked Willie not to stand up, calling her child. Willie got angry. Why? Because while sitting she was not able to see the outside scene from the bus. So she was standing, but the old person said to sit down on a seat. She replied proudly that she was not a child. She had paid full price like others. She was getting irritated with that person and she said, no, I am not a child. I am an adult and I have paid the same price as you all have given. The conductor was humorous. He told the elderly person that Willie was a grown-up madam. Willie looked at the conductor angrily. Now she was getting irritated. Why someone is saying to sit? She told him that she was not a madam and he had not yet given her the ticket. The conductor gave her the ticket. By this time, the conductor didn't give her the ticket, so that is why also she was angry. Next point, the conductor's advice to Willie. The conductor told Willie to sit comfortably, to sit properly. She should not stand, but Willie said she wanted to. यहाँ पे conversation होने लगा between the conductor and Willie that she don't want to sit down. He told her that she would fall and hurt on sharp turns. जैसे सीट्स पे कॉर्नर्स होते हैं ना, वहाँ पे पॉइंट्स होते हैं तो उससे चोट लग सकती है अगर अचानक से उस पर गिरोगे. So for her safety, the conductor was saying her to sit down, but she was not understanding the thing. He called Willie child. At this, Willie said that she was not a child. She told her that she was 8 years old. Next point, Willie and an elderly woman. At the next stand, an elderly woman came and sat beside Willie. The woman asked Willie if she was alone. Willie looked at the woman. She had ugly earrings. She had betel nut in her mouth. Betel juice was likely to come out of her mouth. But now here is the old woman was eating something and the watery thing was coming out from her mouth. She was also getting irritated with this lady. At this, Willie replied that she was alone and had got a ticket. Very in an irritating way, in an angry way, she said that I have bought a ticket and I am sitting in the bus. The conductor added the same thing. Willie asked him why he didn't mind his own business. She then laughed with the conductor. Next point, how Willie snubs the woman. The woman told Willie that it was not proper for her to travel alone. Now, yeah, as a safety of Willie, because she was 8 years old, she was a child, so the old lady was trying to explain Willie that not to travel alone. Willie replied that she needn't bother about her. She turned her face towards the window. She was ignoring that lady, and the suggestion which was given by the lady, she was ignoring, and she turned her face on the other side. Now we will see the third part. How Willie had planned for the ride. Willie had saved 60 paisa for the bus journey with sacrifice. She had resisted the desire to buy toys, balloons, etc. Means to get to have the fare for the bus. She has not desired to buy toys or balloons or other playful things. She had also killed her desire to ride in a merry-go-round. In this way, she has saved the money to ride in the bus. She had planned her first journey for long. She had stood at the front of her house to plan about it. She has sat on the front of her house and planned how to save money for the bus ride. Next point, movement of the bus. The bus now rode across a bare landscape, flat landscape. Trees come running towards them. They rushed when the bus moved. Sometimes the bus seemed to strike the oncoming vehicle, but both passed by safely. Now, movement of the bus means here through which road, what obstacles were coming on the way. Okay, trees were running towards them means when you walk on the road or when you go through the bus or train, the trees आती तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे trees हमसे लड़ जाएंगे, but they move on safely. Next point, a cow before the bus. Suddenly a cow with raised tail came in front of the bus. The bus slowed to a crawl. मतलब जैसे अगर अचानक से आप ब्रेक लगाते हैं तो वो घिसती हुई जाती है ना, टायर्स घिसते हुए जाते हैं. In the same way the bus crawled. The driver sounded the horn again and again. Okay, if suppose you are going by bus or by any of the vehicles, you put a horn if someone is trying to come in front of you. Welly clapped her hands with joy. She laughed and laughed. The conductor told her to save some laughter for the next day. That means she has gone for 2-3 days. Next point, bus reaches the city. The bus passed by the side of the railway crossing. Then it came to a thoroughfare. There were big and bright shops like in fairs or when you go to the big markets, you see that there are big shops. There were huge crowds of people. Welly gaped at everything. Gaped means she watched everything carefully while sitting in the bus. At last the bus reached the town. The conductor asked Willis to get down, but she told that she was going back on the same bus. She said that I will not get down because I have to go back home with the same bus. She gave the coins for the ticket to the conductor. Next point, talk between the conductor and Willie. The conductor asked Willie what the matter was. Okay, as she was not getting down from the bus and she wanted to go back from the same bus, so the conductor wanted to ask. Okay, as she was not getting down from the bus, so the conductor wanted to ask the reason why she is not getting down. Willie told him that it was nothing. She felt like having a bus ride. Okay, she gave the reason that there is nothing to worry about, only she wanted to ride in the bus. The conductor asked if she won't have a look at the sights. Willie replied that she was afraid of that. He asked her if she wasn't afraid to come in the bus. Now here she is afraid of going down from the bus because she must have lost in the fair and all in the market, so she was afraid. Only she wanted was to ride in a bus. Conversation continues. The conductor asked Willie to have a cold drink. Willie told that she had not enough money. She asked for the ticket. The conductor offered her the drink from his own side. Now यार एक म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग जाती है, या एक बच्चा था, so conductor was soft hearted, so he offered a drink because Willie was not having that much amount to pay for the cold drink. The conductor asked Willie if her mother won't look for her. Willie replied that no one would. They waited for the return journey. Now we'll see the fourth part. Dead cow on the way. The bus started again. There were the same wonderful sights as they were coming from the village to the town. Now they are returning back from town to village, and they were coming from the same route, so they were seeing the same sights. Willie was not bored, but suddenly she saw a young cow lying dead by the roadside. It had been struck by some fast moving vehicle. Willie ने क्या देखा कि one dead cow was lying on the side of the road. She thought that some vehicle must have hit her. Next point, Willie's reaction. Willie asked the conductor if that dead cow wasn't the same they had seen earlier. The conductor nodded. Willie got sad. He said yes, that was the same cow which came in front of them. The cow had looked earlier lovable and beautiful, but now it looked horrible in its death. Next point, end of the journey. The bus moved. The memory of the dead cow haunted Willie. She no longer wanted to see outside. She sat glued at the seat as a sad person. The bus reached the village. Willie told the conductor to see again. The conductor smiled. He told Willie to come and join them whenever she felt like riding the bus. She must bring the fare with her. Willie laughed and alighted, but the death of the cow had changed Willie. Now, कभी कभी क्या होता है? At times it happens that we are in a very happy mood, but the situation at times it comes that our mood is changed into sadness. In the same way, the death of the cow has changed the mood of Willie. She became sad. But here, when they reached the village, the conductor has said, whenever you want to come, you can come in the bus and have a ride. But she has to pay the fare for the bus. Willie reaches home. Willie reached home. She found her aunt living in the south street talking with her mother. She was a real chatterbox. She asked Willie where she had gone. Willie didn't reply. She just smiled. Willie heard her mother saying that no one can know about everything. So many things happen, Willie replied in positive. Now when she returned, she saw that her aunt was talking to her mother. She was a very talkative, so she asked Willie, where were you? So she didn't reply. She didn't want to reply that lady. Next point, Willie's reaction to her mother's and aunt's conversation. Willie aunt reacted. She called Willie a chint of a girl. चिंट का मतलब एक नादान लड़की. She looked interested in things that didn't concern her. She behaved as if she were a grown lady. The aunt was saying that though she was 8 years old girl, she is very simple one, but she acts like she is a grown-up lady. Willie smiled to herself. She didn't want them to understand her smile. She was not much chance of that either. Okay, she didn't want them to know the reactions. Now we will see the headlines. Madam rides a bus is about 8-year-old girl Willie's ride on the bus from her village to the town and back from there. Next point. Willie's pastime is to stand at the front doorway of her house and see what is happening in the street outside. She was watching the outside view. Because she was not having any friends to play with. Next point, she also watches the passengers coming and going to the town and hears their conversation. Next point, she develops a desire to ride one day in the bus, which becomes great. Next point, for her ride, she plans intelligently. She stops spending money on toys and other things. She saved every penny for the ride. She gathers all the details of the bus going to town, at what time and the fare. जब कभी हम लोग ट्रैवल करने के लिए जाते हैं तो ऐसे ही नहीं चले जाते हैं. We plan the things, we plan the date, we plan from which bus you will go and so on. Next point, one day she takes the 1 o'clock bus to the town. She enjoys her ride to the maximum because she was moving in the bus for the first time. On the way, Willie sees a cow running right in front of the bus. She claps as the cow keeps running despite the continuous banging of the horn. Next point, the bus reaches the town. The conductor tells Willie to have a drink, but she refuses. She keeps sitting in the bus because she only wanted to ride on the bus, not to go and see the fair. On the return journey, Willie sees the same cow now lying dead by the roadside. She feels very sad and it spoils her happiness in the ride. Next point, the bus reaches the village. Willie runs straight to her house. She sees a woman talking to her mother who doesn't know Willie ride in the bus. There is a sort of comic relief in the story created by fun-loving bus conductor. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.